Hello everyone, welcome to Being with Somi. I am Somi. Today's video is going to be different. Today's video is for moms. All the moms out there, this video is for you. We all have seen videos of things moms are doing for their kids to build a healthy relationship with them. But those videos are made from the perspective of moms trying to build a healthy relationship with their child. However, this video will be from the perspective of a daughter. As a daughter myself, this video is going to be from my perspective on what I think my mom did that made us have a very healthy and close relationship together. After watching this video, if you implement this in your own relationship, trust me, your kids are going to feel safe and come back to you just as how I feel safe with my mom, and I go to her in any problem or in any situation I am in. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let me first tell you how was my relationship with my mom when I was a child and how it grew. When I was 3 years old, I was really attached to my mom. I was spending more time with her as my dad was also working in the office. Our relationship started getting rocky when I started to go to school because I didn't like to study and I just didn't want to study. Whereas on the other hand, my mom was a really great student. She was a topper in her class, and so many times her father, my grandfather, was called to school as a special guest because of how talented my mom was in studies. She is still as talented as she was back in school, but imagine her being on top of studies, acing every single exam, and then her own daughter who doesn't want to study, who is just here. I didn't enjoy my school. My school has a different story. I did upload a story time about it, so if you are interested, you can watch that video. And one more point to keep in mind in this video is my mom was really young when she had me. Back then, there were no such resources on parenting. They had to just do parenting from their own gut. With that being said, yes, she made some mistakes, but she also did correct things, which fast forward to this day has made me her best friend, and she is my best friend. So she didn't have much resources to know like how to parent and how to show up for their kid. When I used to get in trouble, it's common in Indian household to get beaten up. I think there will be like 5% of people in Indian household who were not spanked when they were growing up, at least at the time when I was growing up. But mostly people and friends from my generation, like from my era, they also got spanked a lot with their parents. But here was the one thing which my mom did, which made her my best friend till this day. Right now, our relationship is so good. Whenever I'm having a conversation with her in my phone, I feel like as if I'm having a conversation with my best friend. Now I feel like I have got the best mother, the perfect mother for me. And this is the one thing she has done that has helped me build trust in her, helped me see her as a safe place. And that thing is, she used to always say sorry for how she behaved, how she didn't mean to behave that way. She used to say why she behaved that way, and she used to admit that she shouldn't have behaved that way and she was also wrong at her place. She apologized to me. She came down to my level and apologized for her actions. That made me see to her like, okay, she was not meaning to do this. It was just a mistake by her, and her apologizing made me feel as if that she respects me also. She also sees me to her level. From the moment she started apologizing, I could feel that yes, she respects me and she doesn't think of herself as the authority. She is doing things for my best interest, and she is trying to come down to my level and to understand, okay, what I must must be going through and what I must have felt bad that she has done. She used to think all that and come to me to apologize. In return, I also apologized. We both were wrong in our own places, but at the end of a fight, we both came together, apologized to each other, and that made us feel closer and closer. She apologized when she thought she made a mistake rather than hiding it, or rather than thinking it, okay, if I will apologize to my daughter, she may think less of me or something. No, but I need to maintain her authority. She didn't do that. That showed me how much she cared about me. My message is for parents that please, parents, if you think you have made a mistake, please go and apologize to your kids. You apologizing to your kids is not gonna lower your standard down. Your kids are still gonna love you. If you start apologizing for your mistake, like wherever you think that, oh, you could have reacted in a better way, go and tell that to your kids. Tell that like how sorry you are. Tell them that this parenting thing is also like a first time for you. You are trying your best. Thank you, mama, if you're watching this, and I know you are watching this because you are my number one fan. I know that. Thank you so much for coming to me and apologizing to me. That has helped me where you were coming from. She used to explain her perspective on like how she felt, like if I lied about my marks, how betrayed she felt. So the anger in her came from the betrayal she felt from me lying to her. And then I realized, okay, this is going on, and then that helped me understand my mistake or my actions, and that has helped me to know, okay, how I can improve on my action. If you apologize to your kids why you behave the way you behave, where are you coming from, they will get the full story. And for most parents, even if they realize that they are in the wrong, they might not go to their kids to apologize in the fear that their kids may start thinking that, okay, they are weak. That's not the case. You apologizing to your kids will not make you weak. Instead, your respect for your kids will increase, and your kids' respect towards you will also increase. Her being vulnerable helped me realize that she really cares about me and she is just not speaking the words. Thank you so much, mama, for being an amazing mother to me. Parents, when you think you were wrong, I shouldn't have done this overboard, go to your kids and apologize to them. Trust me, as a kid, as a daughter myself, that really meant a lot. The moral of this video is, if you think you have made a mistake, go share it with your kids. Be vulnerable. Explain your side of the story. This was it for today's video. I know it was very out of context. I want this video to reach to moms who are trying their best to be there for kids. And the fact that you are watching this video, learning about like how you can show up best for your kids, that says that you are an amazing and wonderful mom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.